HemoHIM has been the king of today's talk. But there is something else very special, or two, but we'll come to the last one last when I'm finishing. I have to say that we are so blessed, all of us here, to have come to know Atomy. And why I say that, today, most of the people on social media and everything, we get the news and we get updates and we get stuff. And today, this morning when I opened, I've got my my cousins, my nieces, and then posting status and everything. And one had posted a status about a video she had made. And I watched the video on YouTube, and it led me, I was listening to it, and it led me to Dave Ramsey. I don't know if you know Dave Ramsey. And he was mentioning about saving money and everything and self-made millionaires, how many they are without anything. Then I said, that's Atomy. People are becoming millionaires in Atomy. And minding the most precious thing, health. You take care of your health, you are able to, that's the foundation. And somebody, one of the speakers, and all the speakers from Mike first, Alicia, Teresa, Uncle Mike, Roxanne, Judy, Christia, another Mike, and now Sonia, they all mentioned something that we get extra from Atomy. Recently, to explain it, on, again, social media, a niece of mine post something that I'm in great pain, I'm dying, please pray for me, pray for me. I picked up the phone and called. I'd say, what's wrong, what's wrong? She said, oh yeah, it's arthritis, it's hurting so much, I'm in so much pain. I laughed because I had been there. I had been in, I used to use a walking stick. But in that, I said, don't worry about it. That pain won't kill you. And there are other things to take care of. When I get a chance, I'll send you some medication or something to help you with your pain. And I asked her to update me. We had got visitors here, and the story comes from my aunt. My aunt had difficulty in breathing. She had a swelling in her nose, and she went for an operation, and they found that it was cancerous in the nose. It was painful. She could not, but when they cleared it out, when they found it was cancerous and removed it, she could breathe again, and she was feeling. I had guests from here who had come to visit their daughter at university, and they were going back to Uganda, and they happened to have little room, and I sent her a box of HemoHIM. When I sent the box of HemoHIM, I forgot about it. So when my niece called and mentioned that, I said, how is Anne? He said, oh, she's actually here, you can talk to her. And I heard in the background, oh, is that David? And she picked up the phone and screamed, what is this that you gave me? And I got worried. He said, son, it gave me so much energy. I can do my work. I had given up anything and I was ready to die. But now I wake up and go about with everything that I have to do in my home. I don't need even helpers. I was amazed. I was taken back. I was blown away. It made me feel so good. And when I mentioned that, it made me feel so good. That is the thing that Atomy has given us. It has taught us, first of all, I want to thank the leaders here who organized this meeting. We've had almost from each continent people we've never met, and we are sharing. Atomy has given us the power of sharing. Atomy has given us, apart from HemoHIM, it has given us the power of feeling great. When I had, I think it was Teresa's story about, from Philippines, about getting stuff from the sponsor, Israel. When Israel gets that, the results of his giving, what they've given, what they've given to, what it has done, we all feel elevated, because out of all these stories, they were blowing me away and giving me more energy and more feeling good. It's so good to give. It's so good to give. And this is what Atomy gives us. I want to thank you leaders who organize these things and everybody who attends this, because the feeling we take away when we hear these stories make us feel so good and improve our health. They improve our immunity. You might not know. HemoHIM will improve your immunity, but these stories of sharing and hearing the successes of people do even better. Thank you very much for all organizers.